Give us your advice. That's what we're looking for, as well as your input. Long-term Facility Planning Task Force had a recommendation for the district to have an advisory committee that would look at the design and the construction of a project and give us advice. The people on the committee are comprised of experts in the industry that look at design and construction. So we have a contractor, an architect, a developer, a person who oversees construction projects at Microsoft, as well as an educator.
Is there a tighter way to lay this out that would anticipate that? We come in, we see projects at various specific levels. You try to offer what your own experience would give as advice.
This project would be a perfect candidate.
We're challenging costs, we're challenging layouts, we're challenging things and just making them defend them if they're important.
You're hopeful that architects are willing listeners. And I would say at this point, the architectural firms that the school district has hired have all been willing partners to listen to other ideas and perspectives.
Why aren't we just putting the school there?
Unfortunately, those buffers have grown quite a bit.
The purpose is for us to have efficient and effective design, as well as design that will make it easier for contractors to build buildings so that it's more cost effective for the end product.
So my part in the committee is to add an educator's lens on buildings here that we're planning for in the future in Lake Washington School District. Having been in the classroom, having been a building administrator, and now helping to oversee a part of our school district, I think I add a sense of authenticity around uses of space and how they might work best.
I know there'd be as much people there for support of a 3-story as there would be a 2-story. It's really one just I think to provide feedback from a perspective of industry professionals who have been in the business a long time about possibly some best management practices or asking questions. Again, just to say, hey, is there another way? Not saying it's a better way, but just give it a different perspective.
We still can't be doing any demolition when school's in session.
We have seen changes that the architects have made, or if they didn't make changes, they have defended why they're not, because in the end of the day, their charge is to do the best that they can for the school district.
Doing everything we can to maybe save $2 or $3 or $4 million.
It's an extremely collaborative group. It's been very interesting to listen to everybody's ideas and perspectives, which really adds to the validity of this committee, and I really believe is going to add to great projects for our school district and as a result for our kids.
There's a lot of unknowns when you're doing, trying to connect the new and then demo and
trying to look at some of those best practices or best design elements and incorporating them. And so be it for the brand new elementary schools and the middle school, you can see a little bit of cost savings here and there that has worked out. We're not talking, big dollars, but $5 million here or there, and it all adds up.
We're going to be able to provide more space for students. That's what I'm most excited about.